In this Henry how-to, we'll help you select the ideal Elastomeric acrylic white roof coating. If you have a flat or low-slope roof, an Elastomeric acrylic white roof coating can help you double or even triple the life of your roof. It can also save as much as 40% on your air conditioning bills. All Henry Elastomeric acrylic white roof coatings reflect the sun's heat and harmful UV rays. This protects your roof and slows down the aging process and reduces the indoor temperature of your home so your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard. For the ultimate protection and greatest energy savings, you can't beat Henry 687 Enviro White. Enviro White features dirt pickup resistance technology, which helps prevent dirt and dust from settling on your roof, keeping it whiter, more reflective, and cooler longer. In fact, Enviro White reflects nearly 90% of the sun's heat and UV rays when first applied, and 80% over time. With its 12-year warranty, it can save you more than $4,600 over the life of the coating. 100% acrylic Enviro White is mildew and stain resistant. It also resists ponding water for up to 48 hours and offers the thickest coat of all our roof coatings. Henry 587 DuraBrite reflects more than 70% of the sun's heat and UV rays and can significantly extend the life of your roof. It's backed by a 10-year warranty, so over the life of the coating, it can save you more than $3,500. DuraBrite resists stains and mildew and resists ponding water up to 48 hours. Henry 287 Solar Flex also reflects more than 70% of the sun's heat and UV rays and outperforms ordinary white roof coatings. It resists mildew and stains, and with its 7-year warranty, it can save you more than $2,300 over the life of the coating. All three Henry coatings have the industry's best coverage rate of 100 square feet per gallon. You'll get excellent protection and see dramatic reductions in your energy bills. Make sure your project is done right the first time with Henry, and see why we've been the #1 choice of professionals and DIYers for more than 80 years. Check out all our Henry how-to videos on our YouTube channel.